Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And today we're going to show you Forever Laser Dart.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to be working with our Forever Laser Dart heat transfer paper. This is for a laser printer. Today we have printed with the Oki 8432. So let's get started.
All right, we did our design in Photoshop and then saved it out as a PNG, removing the background. And then we actually used the transfer rip to print this, which helps you control the density of your white. And this paper is made exclusively for white toner printers. So first we're going to marry these two sheets together. So this is what we printed, and we're going to marry it to the back sheet here. And we are going to lay it back sheet up. And with this, you do not need very much pressure at all. And we're going to press at 320 for 120 seconds.
And we are using silicone with this process and not Teflon, because Teflon can hold in moisture as well as heat. So silicone sheets are the best with this process.
Okay, you will want to leave this on your hot platen, and you will want to peel it very quickly and in a fluid motion. All right, and then we'll trim around it. While Jamie's cutting, I'm going to go ahead and take this down to 30 seconds so we can apply it to our shirt. All right, I'm going to take our shirt and fold it in half and create a center seam, and just run it under the heat press just to put that seam in there. And that's going to help me center my design. In just a couple of seconds. So then you'll see that there is a seam right down the center. Then I'm going to take my transfer that Jamie trimmed up for me. And the reason we do trim that up is because the adhesive can, during the marrying process, squeeze out a little bit, and you do not want that to transfer to your shirt. So I'm going to fold this in half and just put a little seam in it too, also to find the center section, and then just line up those seams. And when pressing down the shirt, you want to have very firm pressure. And the time and temp is really going to depend on the fiber of your shirt. So you can find those directions in the insert that does come with the Forever paper. All right, we're going to remove this from the hot platen, and we're going to let it completely cool before removing our cover sheet. Okay, now that it is completely cool, we're going to remove this. And I like to go from the upper corner and just kind of roll it down, applying pressure as I go. And there we go, we have our shirt, but one more thing you wanna do. So you'll notice that it is shiny. We're gonna press it one more time, which is going to embed it into the fibers a little bit better, and it's going to remove that shiny look, all right? And we're gonna press it once again at 30 seconds, and you have to make sure that you do put the silicone over this. Therefore, your transfer will not stick to the top of the plate. There you go, Jamie.
Okay, and now you have one personalized shirt, and this offers a very smooth hand. One thing to note when going through the Forever Rip program is normally you can rasterize your image, which gives a little bit more life out of the image as well. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.